It's time for another organization. This is my bathroom cabinet, and it's got everything in it. And it's just everywhere, and I want to fix it. So I'm going to take some of these Dollar Tree crates and create a way to organize my items. This cabinet is pretty small, but I need to get this organized because I can't get into anything. See, I want to get into there, I can't get to that, and oh, there's some things to do your tooth with, and oh, there goes that Dollar Tree color. Oh, and there goes some nail polish. I mean, man, I gotta have this organized so I can get to it better. Vitamin E, vitamin E. There go that chest rub. You're right. Whenever you get on a plane, if you take this chest rub and put it under your nose, it helps a lot. You better believe it. See, and I got my cough medicine, chest congestion. I haven't got sick yet, so thank goodness for that. But yeah, this is just a mess, and we need to get this straightened out. All right, check it out. This is so much better. I can get in here, and nothing's going to fall all over me. Wow, that's neat. So I took the organizers and just rearranged them. Tried to make them a little neater. And you can see my pads, my tampons. Yeah, how fun is that? Vitamins. All right, easy project, y'all. And dollar. Yeah, how you do that now? Thanks for watching.